Welcome to Arhan Worlds. Please like and subscribe my channel, Arhan Woolards. Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to learn farm animal.
Cow, cow, cow. The cow gives us milk. The cow gives us milk. Bull, bull, bull. The bull is very strong. The bull is very strong. Calf, calf, calf. The calf stays near its mother. The calf stays near its mother. Sheep, sheep, sheep. The sheep has thick wool. The sheep has thick wool. Lamb, lamb, lamb. The lamb is playing in the field. The lamb is playing in the field. Goat, goat, goat. The goat eats grass and leaves. The goat eats grass and leaves. Horse, horse, horse. The horse runs very fast. The horse runs very fast. Donkey, donkey, donkey. The donkey carries heavy loads. The donkey carries heavy loads. Mule, mule, mule. The mule is a mix of a donkey and a horse. The mule is a mix of a donkey and a horse. Pig, pig, pig. The pig loves to roll in mud. The pig loves to roll in mud. Boar, boar, boar. The boar is the wild ancestor of pigs. The boar is the wild ancestor of pigs. Hen, hen, hen. The hen lays fresh eggs. The hen lays fresh eggs. Rooster, rooster, rooster. The rooster crows in the morning. The rooster crows in the morning. Chick, chick, chick. The chick is yellow and fluffy. The chick is yellow and fluffy. Duck, duck, duck. The duck swims in the pond. The duck swims in the pond. Duckling, duckling, duckling. The duckling follows its mother. The duckling follows its mother. Turkey, turkey, turkey. The turkey is big and brown. The turkey is big and brown. Goose, goose, goose. The goose guards the farm. The goose guards the farm. rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. The rabbit has long ears. The rabbit has long ears. Hare, hare, hare. The hare runs faster than a rabbit. The hare runs faster than a rabbit. Dog, dog, dog. The dog guards the sheep. The dog guards the sheep. Sheepdog, sheepdog, sheepdog. The sheepdog helps to herd the sheep. The sheepdog helps to herd the sheep. Cat, cat, cat. The cat catches mice in the barn. The cat catches mice in the barn. Mouse, mouse, mouse. The mouse hides in the hay. The mouse hides in the hay. Rat, rat, rat. The rat runs across the barn floor. The rat runs across the barn floor. Ox, ox, ox. The ox pulls the heavy cart. The ox pulls the heavy cart. Buffalo, buffalo, buffalo. The buffalo loves to bathe in water. The buffalo loves to bathe in water. Llama, llama, llama. The llama has thick wool. The llama has thick wool. Alpaca, alpaca, alpaca. The alpaca is smaller than a llama. The alpaca is smaller than a llama. Yak, yak, yak. The yak lives in cold regions. The yak lives in cold regions. Guinea fowl, guinea fowl, guinea fowl. The guinea fowl makes loud noises. The guinea fowl makes loud noises. Quail, quail, quail. The quail lays small eggs. The quail lays small eggs. Pigeon, pigeon, pigeon. The pigeon flies over the farm. The pigeon flies over the farm.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel, Arhan World.